Welcome to Heart Winning Wisdom, Subhalakshmi.
Thank you so much for having me and choosing me among 525
Yes.
people and yatris. So,
And this is a conversation by the window
yes,
on a train.
I love it. Absolutely.
So just setting the context of what this conversation is going to be about. इंसान को बहुत सारी चीज़ें बनाती हैं और उसके सर्कमस्टांसिस का प्रोडक्ट होता है इंसान कैसे ज़िंदगी को परसीव करता है उसका प्रोडक्ट होता है सो वी विल जस्ट फिगर आउट एंड हैव अ फन कॉन्वर्सेशन रिगार्डिंग द डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ विच आई ऑल्सो डोंट नो कि मैं क्या पूछने वाला हूँ सो इट इज़ अ सरप्राइज फॉर मी ऑल्सो एंड फॉर यू ऑल्सो
Sure.
आर यू रेडी फॉर द रोलर कोस्टर
Absolutely. On the
Perfect.
spot.
सो अगर सुबह लक्ष्मी एक इंसान ना होती और नेचर का कोई एलिमेंट होती तो वो क्या होती और क्यों
पानी होती.
पानी होती ओके कौन सा वाला पानी समंदर वाला नदी वाला बारिश वाला पीने वाला कौन सा पानी
नदी वाला पानी होती क्योंकि नदी का पानी बारिश से आता है और समंदर में मिल जाता है.
फिलोसॉफिकल
It's, you know, I can't ever give one answer. It has to be an amalgamation or anything. But before you move on to the next one, मेरे को ये पूछना है कि है तो हम 525 यात्रीज, but why did you choose me?
क्या
You
बात
answer
है
that and then I'll ask you
क्या
the other.
बात है क्वेश्चनर पे क्वेश्चनर ओके नहले पे दहला आया है तो मैं ना 525 लोगों में एक्चुअली ये देख रहा था कि वैल्यू सिस्टम अलाइनमेंट मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है तो इज़ दिस द वैल्यू सिस्टम जिनके लिए मैं मतलब जिनके साथ में वो कॉन्वर्सेशन करना चाहूँगा सो आई फील वो वाइब मैच हो गई तो इसलिए मैं कर रहे हैं
Nice vibe check is very important.
सो इट वॉज एक्चुअली अ वाइब चेक
Thank you so much.
वाइब चेक से एक सिंपल चीज़ एक सवाल निकलता है कि जब सुबह लक्ष्मी अपनी ज़िंदगी में लोगों को करीब लाती है चाहे वो दोस्त हो लवर हो माँ बाप हो कोई भी रिश्ता हो what is that value or that quality which Subhalakshmi seeks that these are my people how does she find her own tribe
I think understanding and comfort. Like, first of all, I am somebody who's very lazy. Okay, I am so lazy because I cannot pretend. Now, this works in my favor. I
Okay.
can't pretend. Like, pretense is very far away because I'm very lazy. It takes a lot of effort to pretend. Okay, कि यार हमें करना होता है जैसे झूठ बोलते हैं ना तो हमें याद रखना होता है क्या झूठ बोला मैं भूल जाऊंगी मुझे याद नहीं रहता तो आई लाइक टू बी इन माई ओन स्किन एंड इट डजंट टेक मच एफर्ट फॉर मी सो व्हेन आई एम एबल टू बी अराउंड विद पीपल जस्ट एज आई एम unfiltered in my own skin and people are okay with it I feel my tribe I don't have to find my tribe is left behind everything so they themselves screen out it's very easy.
interesting answer and when you say that the values which you align with you know कि कुछ हैं जो अपने आप आ जाते हैं फिल्टर आउट हो जाते हैं तो अगर आप उन सब में जो आपके करीबी हैं अगर एक पैटर्न या एक वैल्यू सिस्टम नोटिस करोगे तो विच आर दोज वैल्यूज विच यू थिंक आर प्रेजेंट इन ऑल दोज पीपल
Pretense. There's no pretense. Even in those people, there's no pretense. They are unfiltered. I am unfiltered, and it's not like we have really common values. There are differences, but main crux same होता है. Value system बहुत थोड़ा बहुत difference होगा भी, but there is a nature of embracing the difference with respect. So understanding है, mutual respect है, pretense नहीं है. So my tribe.
interesting and this leads me to a question that we often talk about a lot of successes
Yeah.
कि जिंदगी में ना सक्सेस होना बहुत सक्सेसफुल होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है पैसे कमाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है प्यार करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है पार्टनर फाइंड करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है दिस सुबहलक्ष्मी ऑल्सो हैज सम प्रायोरिटीज और समथिंग सेट कि पहले ये आना चाहिए लाइफ में फिर उसके बाद ये आना चाहिए फिर ये आना चाहिए हाउ डू यू सी लाइफ हाउ डज इट कम टू यू
ऑब्वियसली मेरे को भी एक ऐसे बहुत ब्रीफ पॉइंट था जब मुझे लगा कि जब मैंने जो सोचा है वो अचीव करूँगी तब मैं खुश हो जाऊँगी बट वो जो 2 महीना मैंने काटा मतलब दैट वाज पोस्ट माय ग्रेजुएशन या मास्टर्स So I was like उसके बाद मैं खुश होंगी. But then that entire 2 months period was such a depressing moment for me. And I realized this is not me. So anything that is taking away from me what I am is not making me me. So I have to be myself now, even in the absence of what I think I should have. So for me there is no order. Like ये होगा तो पहले होगा. For me it is important that I am able to exercise and have complete agency of what I'd like to do. So when I have that and I'm able to move towards that direction, that is my like I feel like yeah ठीक है ये direction में जा रहा है. Of course rejections बहुत होते हैं और but मेरी ना एक attitude रहा है स्कूल से कि every time I face a no I will see as an abbreviation of next opportunity.
अरे
NO.
क्या बात.
So a no is never a no. It's a next bigger opportunity. So I might feel, I'm a human, I feel bad, I feel rejected, I feel hurt, but that's very momentary. What I feel at that point is that the moment a rejection comes, that means मैंने अपने लिए छोटा सोचा था, मेरे लिए इससे बड़ा कुछ वेट कर रहा है. So yeah, that's how I see it. And to my surprise, every time it has happened. I got rejected from a production house for something that I was preparing, and by the time the selection process happened, I also started feeling the excitement was going a little down. So even when I received a mail saying you're not rejected, I was like, okay, ठीक है, कुछ और बड़ा ही होने वाला है. And the yatra happened. And there's nothing bigger that can happen to end my year than yatra. You know the yatra, so yeah.
That brings me to the next question, which usually are the first question, one of the questions, कि सुबलक्ष्मी कौन है? And अगर सुबलक्ष्मी ने बिना बताए बताना है कि where does she come from, so how will you define that? Where you come from? And if you have to tell what you do without telling what you do directly, how will you say that?
I say I come from the earth. Like that, I would say, you know. And if I really have to introduce myself, then I would say, good morning, Chennai. This is your host, RJ Sibu, only on Fever FM. That's how we do this. But I'm in conversation. The roles have reversed. So I'm on the other side. I'm being interviewed by none other than Varun Kapoor. So here we go.
That's a nice way.
Yeah.
ये cheating हो गई वैसे. Directly बताना नहीं था. But so you are an RJ.
Yeah.
But still we didn't get that. Where are you from? Without telling exactly where are you from. You have to describe it. Show your RJ skills.
No, so I am from everywhere. It's very hard for me to pinpoint one place in India. I feel I literally represent India because you know my ancestral this thing is from the southern part of India, and then I grew up in the north of India. Now the reverse migration has happened after I went for work back to the south, so it's kind of all over. And I have friends from all parts of the country, and now literally, quite literally after the yatra, so
Okay, so that means that that's going to be a mystery for the audience.
yeah.
And you're going to disclose that in the end, that which state you are currently living in.
Correct.
Okay, perfect. I like that. Mysteries are good. There are all happy faces. Subbalakshmi is a confident, happy girl. But there are other shades also.
Yes.
And those shades and what you are today, what you do today, is made by certain circumstances and certain events in your
Yes,
life.
very much.
If you have to pinpoint one or two events which you will say made you you, what will those be? क्योंकि कई बार वो events होते हैं जो usually हमें सबसे ज़्यादा test करते हैं. They take us to the bottom, you know, and they test, and they want to see कि क्या निकलेगा उसके बाद.
Yeah.
Would you like to share that? What has been those toughest moments where you have bounced back, of course, because you are here, but those made you. Those were the turning points of your life.
So for me, Major events, like I think I am a cumulative of several such events, but I would say, like as you said, you're a confident and a happy person. I was always a happy person. Confident was a question mark, but I always wanted to be a confident person, but I didn't know what to do. Very nervous. Stage fright was at its peak. You'll not believe my
You had
knees-
stage fright.
Yeah, I had stage fright. My knees used to like tremble and shiver if I would be asked in the class, in the crowd to read one line. तो हम क्या करते थे, मैं देखती थी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, मेरी बारी 8th बारी में आ रही, तो 8th वाली में लाइन कौन सा आएगा, so I would read and rehearse so that जब मेरी बारी आएगी I would like know what my lines is, and what surprise happens when somebody else reads an extra line, and then so it used to be so, like I would be that scared, but as growing up there were several stages where I realized that this is where I want to be, that I want to be in the area of performance, so this is what it demands and this is what it commands, and I need to put myself through very uncomfortable space where it pushes me to like really pushes my envelope. So yeah, I pushed myself to do everything. तुम name it, I would have, मैंने उस पे हाथ पैर मारा होगा. तो मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. तो the only thing that made me is when I decided that I will not care about embarrassment and I will do it despite what other people will think. So if you want me to stand in front of the railway track, make a real dance, I will do it. So मुझे एक्चुअली नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता किसी कौन क्या सोच रहा है. आप बिकम लाइक वेरी, जैसे घोड़े की वो आँख होते हैं ना, नहीं फ़र्क पड़ रहा, क्योंकि मैं समझ चुकी हूँ ये चीज़ कि लोग नहीं सोच रहे हमारे बारे में उतना जितना हम सोच रहे हैं कि लोग हमारे बारे में सोच रहे हैं.
हम उतने भी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है जितना हम सोच रहे हैं.
नहीं है, और उनकी ज़िंदगी में 100 चीज़ें अलग हो रही हैं, तो नहीं फ़र्क पड़ रहा. तो जितनी बार हम अपने आप को उस पोजीशन में लाते हैं और वो चीज़ करते रहते हैं, एक तो हम अपनी खुशी की ओर ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं और हम अपने आप को बेहतर करने में ज़्यादा और बढ़ रहे हैं. So I think that is one thing, and that gave me, every new achievement gave me a new kick to push me further. So
I get that, and that's brilliant. As you said कि हम एक्चुअल में उतने इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है जितना हम सोच रहे हैं. But what has been that, वो बोलते हैं ना, एक समय आता है, एक ऐसा पॉइंट होता है, कोई इंस्टेंस होता है. Would you like to recall some instance
yeah.
जहाँ पे कुछ टूटा है, कुछ गया है और वहाँ से कुछ नव निर्माण हुआ है?
एक रिसेंटली एक कोट पढ़ा मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे, हम क्योंकि ट्रेन में भी है वो कोट, ट्रेन से रिलेटेड है और वो इंस्टेंस भी ऐसा ही है. मैंने मास्टर्स फिनिश कर ली और जो बड़ा क्वेश्चन आता है अब क्या, तो मेरे घर वाले चाहते थे कि मैं यूपीएससी करूं, ठीक है, और
तो है भी साउथ नॉर्थ साउथ तो
सब वो करो. मेरे घर में से है भी लोग सरकारी नौकरी से, सो इट वाज वेरी ऑब्वियस फॉर देम टू एक्सपेक्ट मी टू डू दैट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. और मेरे तो दिमाग में, मुझे पता है मुझे एक वो ऐसी लाइन चुननी है, तो मैं करूँ क्या. लॉट ऑफ कॉग्निटिव डिसोनेंस कि अगर मैं जो वो चाहते हैं वो करूँ तो वो खुश हैं लेकिन मैं खुश नहीं हूँ, और अगर मैं जो चाहती हूँ वो कर रही हूँ तो वो खुश नहीं है और उससे मैं खुश नहीं हूँ, बट मैं जो कर रही हूँ उससे मैं खुश हूँ. तो टू मच ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन. सो देन आई रियलाइज्ड वन नाइट स्लीपिंग कि कल मेरा एक मास्टर्स का प्रोग्राम सिलेक्शन हो गया है, कल मेरा ओरिएंटेशन है और मैं इस यूपीएससी कोर्स के लिए भी अप्लाई कर चुकी हूँ. 2 ऑप्शन है मेरे हाथ में, दोनों मैं ड्रॉप कर दूँ, घर पे लड़ाई करूँ और बोलूँ कि मैं नहीं कर रही, मैं वही करूँगी जरा मन कर रहा है, और उससे घर पे बहुत बड़ा युद्ध हो सकता है, महाभारत का लाइक वर्ल्ड वॉर 3 हो सकता है. बट दिस इज़ वेरी स्कैरी. आई डोंट नो द कॉन्सिक्वेंस. सो दैट इज़ वन. द अदर थिंग इज़ चुपचाप जो वो बोल रहे हैं वो कर लो, वेरी इजी ऑप्शन, लेकिन बहुत घुटना पड़ेगा. लाइक मेरे को बहुत घुटन होगी, आई विल बी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. सो आई रियलाइज दैट I know that everybody has an age. My parents are growing old. After a point, they will not take responsibility of my life. My life has to be my complete responsibility.
Right.
So when you're going on a train, you know that it's going on the wrong direction or it's not your station. It's better you leave as soon as possible. Otherwise, the trip is going to cost you much more. The return ticket might cost you longer. It will cost you your time, your money, and your energy. So the most important thing in your life is to save your energy and time. Money will follow. So with that philosophy, I decided I have to take the hard pill right now, which might be extremely inconvenient temporarily, but in the longer run, I think that's something that will keep everybody happy.
So what was the step which you took?
I quit. I said, even if we've paid for the course, I think about 70, 80, 90,000 rupees for a course. I said, nahi kar rahi main wo course. I didn't show up for the orientation for the masters that I got selected for. I said, I'm not going to do that. And then I interned for a radio station for 3 months unpaid.
And your family was okay with that?
It was COVID. Everybody was unemployed. So it worked in my favor. सब लोग घर बैठे, मैं भी घर बैठी हूँ. तो घर बैठे बैठे कुछ भी कर लो, क्या ही फर्क पड़ रहा है. Anyway, the entire world is home. So that time worked for me in that way.
कोई ऐसा टाइम आया जब Subbalakshmi thought of quitting?
Quitting what?
Anything, like something which was dear to her?
I feel like it now.
Oh.
I feel like it now. Hence the yatra happened. So yeah, see, somebody told me this, and I've also been keeping about this. This is, you learn, earn, lead, and lead. That should be the order. When you learn, you start to earn, then you lead the place, then you have to leave the place. You've done all the three, probably it's time for you to pick up something new. And
जब हम बाहरी दुनिया से देखते हैं,
हाँ,
from that outer lens, people will say that Subbu is quite a successful girl as of now.
yeah.
That great, wow, she's on the world's biggest entrepreneurial
Who's
train
saying-
journey.
Who's saying this?
No, our social media posts say that
Yeah.
people, when they see them, they say that. But it takes a lot to be on this kind of a journey.
Yeah, you sure.
It takes a lot from within to be surrounded by these people every day. What do you think is that one key takeaway or discovery which you are discovering here on this yatra for yourself? Till now, it is about to end, tomorrow is the last day. Any thought which has crossed कि क्या लेने आई थी, क्या मिला है?
नहीं, मैं क्या लेने आई थी? मैं तो लेने ही नहीं आई थी, वो तो मिल गया मुझे. बिना लेने आए मुझे ऐसे ही मिल गया. So I think first key takeaway is that always try one more time, because you don't know, that story जो हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं कि एक है वो ढूंढता है सोने के लिए, कोई बोलता है यहाँ पे सोना है, वो गड्ढा, he keeps digging, he doesn't find. Suddenly another guy comes and he digs just one more layer and he finds the gold. So the other person just had to dig one more layer down. So I remember I almost was quitting to fill the form for this yatra, and then because I had a lot of trouble, the form had an issue, and I had to fill it up twice, thrice. I was writing the same thing, didn't happen. The last day, last hour, I said, you know what, I ordered food on Swiggy for dinner, and I was like, 40 more minutes, let me give myself the challenge. I wrote everything right now, everything is still fresh, let me do this one more time. So because of that, I'm here. So even I got my college like that. The last time I decided चल एक बार और भर देती. So उसकी वजह से my life is irreversibly like changed. It's changed forever. We say it, once a yatri, always a yatri. You might imagine the number of people I get to meet here, the contacts we have now.
The conversations we are having right now.
Yeah, can you believe? I never thought I would be ending 2024 like this. I wanted it to end in a very crazy manner. Never thought this way, but
It has got crazier.
yeah, it has gotten crazier.
Okay, so given that you're an RJ, given that I'm an artist, let's go to some movie stuff.
RJ is one part of my personality, by the way.
Which are the other parts of your
So
personality?
I'm just saying that, see, I didn't actively want to become an RJ or pursue like that. I want to, like, one thing after the other led to this. But again, because many people know me here as an RJ, I feel it should also not be a limiting title for me, saying that I'm just an RJ. What if I can do something else as well? But people don't see me beyond an RJ. So, I am an RJ as well. So that's...
What would you like to add to that? Do you have something right now, or would you like to just leave it for some time else?
leave it for some time else. But I mean, on a broader umbrella term, maybe artist. That's it.
Artist. So my question.
It's too vague, but yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Life at times is vague, right? It need not be specific every time.
Correct.
मतलब हमने वो परफेक्शन को हमेशा सारी चीजें अच्छी होंगी उसको ना बहुत ज्यादा ओवर हाइप कर दिया है. एक सिंपल सा सवाल ये कि अगर सुबह लक्ष्मी की जिंदगी एक पिक्चर होती और वो एक कैरेक्टर होती तो वो कौन सी मूवी का कैरेक्टर होती और कौन सा कैरेक्टर होती?
मेरी जिंदगी ऑलरेडी एक मूवी है, बस उसको नाम देना बाकी है.
But just for the audience sake and for my sake,
yeah, sure.
that if already existing plethora of movies में से कोई select करना हो और
God.
कोई
No,
ऐसी
give me an
वो
option,
select
I'll
करनी
pick.
हो. Yeah, that's not fair.
No,
It
I
can
have
be
to-
as
I have to
like as old as Sholay and all that as well, and as latest as Singham as well.
जाने भी दो यारो.
जाने भी दो यार. Which character?
I don't know. I mean, मूवी का नाम मैंने जाने भी दो यारो दे. कैरेक्टर.
Yeah, but any for example जैसे ये जवानी है दीवानी हो गई, गुजारिश हो गई.
ऐसा मेरा कॉम्बिनेशन ही ऐसे फिट नहीं बैठता ना.
Some of the characters which you
Okay, I'll
relate
tell
to.
you, there's a Malayalam movie called Charlie. The
Okay.
Parvati's character in Charlie is like my life. I don't know if you have seen the film.
I've not seen it. What can you define the characteristics which you can
she's a
relate
nomad. She's a nomad. She just cannot. The family tries to tame her to rules. Every time there's a new rule, she will break it and she'll go and she'll come back. So the family is at the verge of disowning her, but they don't. They're helpless. So it's very difficult. She defines her own rules. She outrageous. She travels. She meets people. She's very curious. Yeah, she also looks like me. Specs, curly hair, बंजारन लगती है बिल्कुल. Backpack होता है. Floaters पहन के जाती है. कभी-कभी दोनों floaters अलग भी होते हैं.
I would like that. So we can call that Subbu is a nomad, curly headed. What was like? No.
Geek.
Banjaran geek and whatnot. And you can't tame her. You can't tame her. What is the one value which you think you cannot compromise on? Like, if you one is you cannot compromise on, and one is that you do not like at all. Like, no, if this kind of a person is there, sorry boss.
इनसिक्योरिटी, जेलसी, पीछे बात करना, बैक, ये नहीं हो सकता. पहली बात ऐसे लोग हैं ही नहीं मेरे ट्राइब में.
वो फिल्टर आउट हो जाते हैं.
But
Okay.
these are things that
You cannot stand.
No, it's not about stand. I know they exist, but they are never in my circle. And when they are, I feel pity for them. That it is so sad that they feel that way because there is so much more they can do, but all they are focusing is on.
Those things. Interesting. And to take it to the beautiful end, I'd like to say कि अगर सक्सेस, फेम, नेम, मनी इसमें से किसी एक को या हैप्पीनेस किसी एक को चुनना होगा तो सुबह लक्ष्मी किसे चुनेगी?
मैं पहले बोलने वाली थी, you have not mentioned happiness. I will mention
so happiness is there.
Happiness. I feel if I'm happy, I am seeking. If I'm happy, I will naturally be famous. Generally, you know the yatra. See, I think I grab a lot of attention just by being myself. So I am famous anyway because I'm happy. When you're famous, you attract opportunities that will attract money. So then I know if you pick the right order, everything is coming. I am very greedy. I want everything.
But do you think that everyone, if they are in their self element, the same flow follows?
Yes, very much. Very much. If you are in your proper element, you will gravitate the right people. And when you do that, everything gradually falls. But you also need a lot of self-belief and conviction in yourself that it'll.
And how will you define happiness? What is happiness for you? Like, how will you define that?
I think top being zero pretense. Pretense नहीं होना चाहिए. Pretense as in that you're able to exercise the agency. When I say pretense, I actually mean that you're saying it can be difficult. You cannot speak your mind every time because sometimes the rules in the society or in a particular setup is such that you're not able to do it. But what you can do is very respectfully disagree and say that, you know, maybe this is not my cup of tea, but this is what. So let the boundary be set, so others also know how to behave around you or what to ask you. They will come to you exactly. You become a no-nonsense person. It's very easy. Actually, it's very easy to be a no-nonsense person. I cannot tell you. See, many people say, how come they नहीं आते लोगों को, या तो इंटिमिडेट लगती है उससे, तो मेरे को बहुत आसान होता है, मुझे नहीं,
दूसरे भाग जाते हैं,
वो खुद ही भाग जाते हैं, मुझे नहीं करना पड़ता स्क्रीनिंग, मेरा इतना काम कम हो जाता है, तो I don't have to do anything. It's very easy. People who know I'm very nice and you know you can talk to me. I'm very friendly. I can talk, but there also, if I feel that there's the change in the chemistry, immediately the chemistry within me is also changed. That will ask them to show the way. Please, this is the way out. Please leave. So it's very easy actually. But
so for you, happiness is not being in pretense.
Yeah, it's not being
like, or being authentic.
Yeah, being authentic for sure. See, being raw and authentic is the most comfortable and the most true nature. When happiness is seeking your true self, chiseling yourself to become the true self. When you are your true self, it's the most cathartic, it's the best thing ever. And we are all on the journey. Like even now, I don't feel I'm in the complete true self, but there's so much more to do. But when you do that, you will see there's so many people who are already waiting to be inspired by you. So there is a waiting list there, like a train.
And what will you say is the biggest problem facing humanity as of today, right now, in terms of human beings? Like natural things are there, climate change and all that is there, but in terms of humanity, purely as humans, what is the biggest, like you fear that we are, if this continues, we are gonna be doomed?
Ignorance and indifference towards everything. Now this is again a very wide and a big term, but if you are ignorant about climate change, if you're ignorant about mental health, if you're ignorant or indifferent about sustainability, if you're ignorant and about other being kind to people, it's not a good day to see. Then it will eventually pile up, and so it's just like how I'll just give you an example. We don't care about the journey of the waste that goes out of a house, but once in Delhi, it piles up like the Ghazipur hill. It blasts one day. So
that's
yeah,
quite true, I guess. And what will you say you are doing to make sure that world do not go on that path of destruction? How will you as an individual contribute to that? Or you are
so I used to take like a lot of pressure on my shoulder that मुझे ही सब कुछ करना है, तो उससे मैं भी उतर के आ गई हूँ कि मुझे करना है और मुझसे जितने लोग कर सकते हैं उनका I know that me, by being myself, not pretending, working on my journey to becoming the true self will naturally inspire others also to perform their true self. So when that happens, you are one by one, transforming the world. Like how they say, चाहे कितना भी promotion हो जाए, word of mouth की तरह कुछ नहीं होता. Correct? So similarly, if I'm able to do this, another girl or a boy or somebody says like, she's so free. How is she free? Why do I feel restricted? She has more, maybe strict parents, lack of resource, but still she's happy and free. I do not have these things, but still I feel very bound. Why is that? So when people seek that, gradually you will, everybody, so that person's true self will inspire another person. So it's like going to be a
again we are I guess circling that अगर आप अपने सच के साथ हो तो बाकी सब अपने आप flow कर जाएगा.
Correct, very true.
So the last question of the day, before telling the audience where are you from, if you have to choose 3 adjectives for Subhalakshmi, what will those adjectives will be?
I think you should answer that question.
And first you answer, then I'll answer.
It's very difficult for me to say. I will only, immediately for me, only things will come where I have to work on.
That's fine. Like these 3 adjectives as of now, right in this moment, as we are on this Jagriti Yatra 2024, sitting by these windows and all the songs coming from our side, write 3 adjectives right now.
Let me answer your question. Another from takeaway. Another takeaway from the yatra. I think I missed that answer, which is that to start now. I meet a lot of people who have shared a lot of stories. They said start now. So this also reminds me one some artist or celebrity talks about शुरू करो, अभी शुरू करो, जितना है उतने में शुरू करो, जैसे हो वैसे शुरू करो, जहाँ हो वहाँ से शुरू करो. तो शुरू करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. तो मैं जितना ये बोलती हूँ उतना मुझे ये अपनी लाइफ में भी अप्लाई करना ज़रूरी है. तो आई थिंक मेरे ऑब्जेक्टिव में एक ऑब्जेक्टिव ये होगा दैट आई प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट. I probably need to work on that more. I have to take more swift actions. More punctual. I try to be punctual, already am, but still punctuality, procrastination, and laziness. I think I don't know. I am
Craziness?
Laziness.
Laziness.
Yeah, I'm lazy. I think I don't know. I feel it works for me in my favor sometimes because, as I said, laziness helps me to not sometimes just be my own this thing. But I think if I take care of procrastination, everything falls in place.
Oh, everything.
But just to say good things also about myself. I am a lot of fun. I think 3 adjectives will be fun, mad, crazy, adventurous.
3, not 4.
Yeah.
Okay, if I'll need to give you 3 adjectives. It will be I don't know if they will come in the adjectives category or not, but a tigress,
Okay.
raw, pure.
Thank you.
I'll give them, and yeah, and it takes a lot to be this much vulnerable, like in a conversation which we know that okay, it may be published somewhere or anything, and that's why I guess we are calling these stories heart-winning wisdoms. That something which actually made you is not anymore a knowledge for you.
Yeah.
It has become a wisdom. So one line of wisdom which you would like to say in the end before we conclude.
Same from what you said right now, that knowledge everybody has, and it is just like it's like a tablets that is on your shelf will have no use until you consume it, and it gets assimilated in your digestive system and it works for you. So wisdom is something that is assimilated and used. Knowledge everybody has. There is enough books, but what you have read in the book, if you have not applied, is of no use. So many people, all of us know a lot of things. Knowledge is not important, wisdom is. So even if you know only 4 things, but if you have applied those 4 things, you're a wiser person and you're more knowledgeable and wise than those people who know 100 things and have not applied anything. Yeah, so because it is the application that makes the hell lot of difference. So it's okay, you don't have to know everything, but what you know, if you apply, you're way ahead than most people.
Application. So where are you from? Right now, where are you residing?
Right now, where are we?
Not right now.
Right now, I think we just crossed Jaipur. I am from the past 15 days have been a complete yatri. I think I'm a yatri for life.
Oh.
I'm a yatri for life. Now
you don't belong to any
I
place.
don't belong. You know, as a child, I always felt the need to be belonged because here you're neither here nor there. हमेशा explaining यहाँ पे हो तो वहाँ के हो, वहाँ वाले हो तो यहाँ के हो. यही debate चल रहा है मेरा बचपन से. After yatra, I'm like India, like चक दे इंडिया में बोलते हैं ना, from India.
मैं भारत से हूँ.
मैं पैदा केरला में हुई थी, लेकिन मेरा पालन पोषण सब दिल्ली में हुआ है और अभी मैं काम के सिलसिले से चेन्नई में काम करती हूँ. तो अभी फिलहाल चेन्नई से हूँ. मेरी फ्लाइट की टिकट चेन्नई से हुई है और मैं वापस भी चेन्नई जा रही हूँ. तो अभी मेरा नया घर चेन्नई में है, बट मेरे मम्मी पापा घर बार सब कुछ दिल्ली में है.
So would you like to say goodbye in your Raj style? I'll give you that authority. How would you like to conclude
I mean, it's your
this?
show. You should.
No. I'm giving it to you that conclude it in your style.
Okay, what
so
is
that
the
we
name
can
of the
heart-winning wisdom.
Heart-winning wisdom?
Yes.
All right, so we come to the close of Heart-winning wisdom. What a lovely conversation I had with you. Thank you so much, first of all, for inviting me, choosing me among 525 people, and thinking that I'll be eligible for this conversation. And I hope you had fun and you got the answers that you were looking for. And yeah, I hope everybody who would be listening to this interview would also take back something. So thank you so much. We are signing off then.
Signing off!